There it is. It is officially ours. Oh man, I'm nervous. Dad's headed out. We're headed to Popeyes. Oh man, this is it. We're in our Z. What the heck is happening? I'm tripping right now. I got the registration. Everything is good. Okay, starting it up. Starting up my HR for the first time. Oh my gosh. First time putting gas in the new Z HR. This is just so exciting to me, honestly. This is so exciting. She's a little beat, but you know, it's all good, it's all good. Check it out. This is crazy. So I just put $35 in this thing and the gas did not move. So, all right, what is up? Welcome back to the channel. I seriously appreciate you tuning in. As you can tell, we're starting from where we left off yesterday or the other day. We're in my 2007 Nissan 350z HR. This is a clean title, 100K miles, all original, and I'm smiling ear to ear right now, you guys. We're on our way over to the freeway right now. I think my GoPro's at like 30%, so we're just gonna get like in a little impressions video of driving the HR. We've been driving a Nissan 350z DE rev up, so the rev up motor, for like 3.5, almost 4 years now. And this 350z is a lot louder. It has a Megan Racing exhaust kit on it. Listen to that. Oh man. Oh, and it downshifts just like my car. Oh shoot. Oh no. No. I don't know where I'm going. It's still blinking, like our distance to empty is dash marks right now. So I don't know if the sensor in the gas tank is out. I did notice the fuel level is starting to go up slowly. I don't know, as I drive it more, it's slowly going up. This thing sounds awesome. The traffic out here on this side of the world is just so bad. I'll see you guys in a second once it opens up. We're already almost back down to E, so either this thing is getting like 1 mile to the gallon right now and I'm gonna run out of gas already, or the gauge for the gas is all confused and it's just not reading correctly. So that's something we're definitely gonna have to fix, because I like to know how much gas I have. Like going uphill right now, it is significantly dropped, so I definitely think there's something wrong with it. I don't think we're going through that much gas. Here's the drone with the Megan Racing. It's not terrible, but it's definitely loud. I'll shift it to 5th. You know, it's not terrible. 4th. I mean, sounds pretty awesome. You can literally see our gas is going down as I'm filming this right now. Like it's almost at E, and it was just at halfway in between that. So, all right, here we go. Let's. Oh man, that's with the AC on and this thing pulls nice. I feel like I'm hearing something over there. Might be some rubbing, but we'll have to see what that is. I mean, but you can see the tint is all destroyed. The red one that we have right now honestly looked pretty, I mean, it was about this same condition when we picked it up, only it was 60,000 miles, which is crazy to think that it was 40,000 miles less than this thing. But there's like some backfires as soon as the throttle body opens up. It's pretty cool. You just tap the gas on decel and it lets out a little pop, which is kind of cool. I can't wait to be in Temecula. I love driving around on random roads, but like when you get a new car, there's just something about driving it on like the familiar roads that you're used to. And I don't know, it just feels right, you know? Do you ever just look at something and think, what did I just do? That is exactly the feeling I'm having right now. I don't know, this is like the normal parking lot we're always in. And seeing this thing in this parking lot right now does not feel real. And it's kind of like, I don't know, I'm getting like a nervous feeling, but like this is so weird. turn it off for now. But everything else seems to be fine. It has this huge fart can on the back, which is pretty funny. It's a Megan Racing exhaust, which is pretty sweet. And I'm not gonna lie, this thing, it said it had lowering springs online, but I'm not gonna lie, I was looking under, I'm pretty sure it's BC Racing coilovers. I could be wrong, but I'm pretty sure, because I'll show you what gave me that idea. Does that say BC on it? That says BC, and it says soft and hard. Same with that. And we got some Nismo intakes, so got the HR. This thing is dirty though. I guess it sat for a few years, so got to do some maintenance before we can rip it. But that's all coming up. Let's go drive around for a little bit. I don't want to rip it too hard, but they just did the radiator, brand new Mishimoto radiator. They just did the gallery gasket, which is amazing. So the oil pressure is good. Oh. Oil pressure is solid. The tin, you know. I'm gonna do a video of everything wrong with it coming up here soon. But for now, let's go rip it just to enjoy the HR. I'm kind of in shock that this is real still. Oh man, it sounds so crazy. It's pretty low, I'm not gonna lie. So our gas gauge seems to be working now. It was kind of freaking out on the freeway earlier where it said we had no gas at all after I just put $40 into it, but it seems to be okay now, but I'm gonna keep watching it. I guess I'm the third owner of this car, which is pretty crazy. Oh man. Sounds good. Roll these up a little bit. Oh man. We need tint, like really bad. Let's go right here. So our emergency brake light is on just all the time, and the e-brake is not on, so that's a thing. This thing's pretty warm from when we drove it earlier, so you know what that means. Oh man, shoot. Okay, all right, you know. Things going through my mind. I'm used to the rev up, so it definitely feels a little different. Of course, I had to leave at the most traffic-y time. Let's get off this main road. Oh, that downshift. Gotta roll these down. Those people were definitely looking at the GoPro. I mean, it's way louder than the red car. I feel like a menace coming around that corner. Oh, this is way better than the main road. All right, coming around the corner. Oh man, a little bouncy there. I'm smiling ear to ear right now. What a day. I mean, this is kind of a dream. Oh, that top end. I don't think I've seen above 6K yet. Oh my God. Okay, so I'm gonna do a video coming up in the future where we race the two cars because I'm gonna need to test something. I need to see something. No, this feels surreal right now. Like, this car is the culmination of like 400 videos with the other 350Z and like 100 videos with the Miata. Like, I'm so happy you enjoy watching these videos. Thank you so much for being here. I didn't think that this was in the cards, to be honest with you. Oh man, oh, here we go, here we go. This thing rips. I'm not gonna lie. This thing rips. Oh man, we're back on the road with the foam poles. Of course, that means we're back with the traffic. I guess let's just go right. There's no one going right, so I guess we should go right. Oh man, this thing sounds... I guess I have been missing out, not having like a full exhaust kit with the 350Z. This far in the video, I seriously appreciate you. You are honestly the reason I have this car right now. I just want to make content, and I've made so many videos with that other 350Z I'm going that I feel like it was time to change it up. I love my 350Z that I have back at the house right now, and I do not want to sell that car because I love that thing to death, and I've saved it from the grave like 3 times already. So I don't think I could let that thing go. And it's hard to have 3 cars. There's already no parking outside my house, especially with my sister that parks behind the Miata. So I don't know what I'm gonna do, but we always figure something out. So anyways, thank you so much for tuning in. I really appreciate you being here. Stay tuned for the next video. I'm gonna go over everything wrong with the car, or maybe we'll do like a detail because this thing is pretty grimy. I'm not gonna lie. The steering wheel is pretty gross. Maybe we'll do a detail. I'm so happy. I'm nervous, and a lot of that is excitement as well. So I know I never get it past 2nd gear, but all right, you know the drill. Wide open road to end the video. 4,000 RPM. I really need to find a new word other than sheesh, because I think I say it like 14 times in every video. So this thing is crazy. Man, okay. Thank you so much for tuning in. I will see you in the next video. Peace out.